welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be drawing the part 2 of my drawing series. So this was part 1. How did y'all like it? And now today is part 2. Okay?
The princess.
I'm going to make this one for my mom. And we're going to get started. So I think we should color her hair first. I want to make it all one color. I think the color should be big. I mean, not big. Cream. Okay? Cream. Okay? Okay, first part done. I feel like the cream hair color is giving like a orangey brown. Like if you dye your hair orange and then like you have brown hair, it's fading brown. That's what this gives me. Okay? Let me get it dry, okay? It's not dry yet, but at least it'll dry quicker. Highlight it a little bit when it's all done drying after I'm finished with this skin. I'm just blowing on it so y'all can kind of see it better. Oh yeah. Oh guys, this is a cream. I forgot to tell y'all. But y'all might know coming from the first, if y'all coming from the first video. Okay, where you going? Keep on freaking it, okay? Oh. I thought I was painting the neck for a second because it's like it was giving like the hair to the neck, so I thought it was gonna be, but no. Wait, I'm gonna show you. Y'all see like right here, it's going to like, I was starting right here, out like this, and I thought it made the neck, but no. See, I did that little space. Okay, so I'm just gonna look at the this time. I'm gonna show y'all it after when I'm finished. Wait, I think that's an earring. The hair looks very good. I just got it on the skin, bro. Okay, guys, this is the hair. Now I have to let it dry so I can put the highlights. So while it dries, I'm gonna let it I'm gonna do the skin. And I think I should make the skin pastel peach. This color. Can I do this? Okay. I'm being very quiet so I can be very focused. Oh my goodness, guys. If I mess up, I'm gonna be quiet. Okay, the face is done. It looks so cool from the back. Okay. If I show y'all the back, don't mind this. But if I show y'all it from the back, y'all just gonna see the same thing from the front. Cause the light. Okay, now it's dry, so let's do the hands. Okay, guys, I am almost finished, so I'm gonna show y'all. It's guys, I forgot. I didn't even do all the hair. Doing the arms. I'm realizing that the hair is not done. Guys, this is not the finished product, but like of the arms. I'm gonna have to finish the hair and the highlights. The ones that are ready to be highlighted, and I put them in latest to greatest order. See, from the last video, I said that I put them in like perfect, and I told them I put it perfect, but now I'm telling y'all that it's like if y'all notice, it's like number order, like the smallest number to the biggest number. 26 all the way to 272. I think I have 272 markers. No, I only have 24. Okay. I forgot the neck. Okay. I put the neck. Now I'm going to show y'all. Okay. Like, the skin should be looking like this. Bro, it looks the same. Why am I using this? No. Okay, now time to. Who saw that I didn't even color the rest and didn't tell me? If I'm watching you guys, y'all didn't tell me that I wasn't finished. Okay. This is the finishing result of the hair. Okay. Now I'm just gonna highlight the little part here. Right here. Is it dry? It's giving some of her hair. After she saw that it was fading away. That's what's giving me. I'm just picking random spots to do them, just to like highlight the hairstyle or the hair color. This is the lash. I think this should be the lash strand. Or maybe should I? Yeah, I'm gonna do it here. Right here should be good. Let me put in, actually that should be done. The highlights of the hair. The highlights of the hair is done. Guys, you need to see the back. Look at the back. It looks so, and I mean so cute. Now we're gonna go on the face. Frost. We're gonna use Frost Blue. I haven't used this color before. I'm gonna use this for the eyes. This color looks very, very beautiful. I can't close it. Okay, for the lips, I don't have any red, unfortunately. Guess they couldn't make pastel red. Pale pink light. I can't open it. Opened it. Now I'm gonna paint put on some lip gloss. And we're done with the face. That fast. I think we should put some blush. So we're gonna use the color blush. You get it? I don't know what. Maybe like some. What am I doing? Okay. Before I draw, I think I made a mistake. It looks like she got sunburned. I think we're gonna have to do another layer. Guys, what did I use? It was pastel pink, peach for her face. Color over it. Like we're gonna see if it like makes it better. What did I just do? Guys, I really hope I can fix this. Okay guys, I just colored it. Hope that makes this better. Cause I'm not feeling. Maybe that's how you blend it in. I hope. Okay, so I think. Okay, an artist knows how to fix her mistakes. I hope that's true. So we're gonna go do the necklace. Color should be. Okay, now I'm gonna be using the color Anis. Okay, I fixed it, but now it looks like she got sunburned. I don't really care at this point. Extra makeup, okay? I just colored the necklace gold. Actually, it's stained. But let's not be ashamed. And start with the dress. I feel like we should use 3 colors. I'm gonna 3 colors. Okay? I'm just gonna like pick your dress. 1, 2, and the last one. What am I doing? I have to use raw silk, medium pink, and Korean stage light. Hold up. Pause the camera. Pause the camera. Pause the camera. Wait, guys. Did I say those colors? What I meant to say was medium pink, neon pink, and pastel violet. Cause I did some other stuff. Wait, guys, you don't see nothing. Hold on. Close your eyes. Make sure it's closed real tight. Okay, guys, let me tell you the colors one more time. Medium pink, pale pink light, and pastel violet. These are the 3 colors I picked. I got so lucky. Now let's start. And guys, don't say in the comments that I did not cheat. I did not cheat. Y'all was closing your eyes so y'all did not see nothing. Okay? Let's see, we should use medium pink first. The 2 colors we should use first is medium pink and pastel violet. Okay, now we are going to use pastel violet. I'm gonna outline it and then use it for the little pearls. I was about to say beads, but it's pearls, not beads. Okay, the pearls are almost done. And then, okay, and then now we're gonna be going back. Going back to medium pink. I got the best colors in the world with my eyes closed. Like, that's so crazy. Like, how would I do that? Okay. Sorry guys, I'm not talking that much. It's just, I really just want to focus on the thing. But not going to be talking. Okay, finished with the outline. Time to color it in. Do y'all be like drawing Let me know in the comments, because if y'all do, and y'all like are experts, y'all need to like let me know the tips that I need to become like a better drawer. Okay. Next row. Like, what type of pictures do y'all draw? I want to know. Like, is it like these type of pictures? Are they like paint, color, like use like color like with crayons or with markers or with coloring pencils? And like what type of stuff y'all color? I already said that, but I just gotta say it again. I don't even know. Hi guys, I'm back because my camera died.
Yeah, just say that. Just continue your thing.
And that's why it looks more finished. But yeah, let's just get back to what we was doing. It was a bad idea to do this. The little but fashion. All about learning new stuff. Help us grow. We're done with the first part. Alright. And time to move on to the second part. Yes. Okay. We use guys, I forgot which ones we used. I think pastel, pale pink light was supposed to be live, I believe. I'm not entirely sure. I'm just gonna use it. Okay. Guys, we're so close to finishing. I'm not gonna do the background again because it already looks perfect, so it doesn't need to be perfect or, well, it already looks perfect for, I feel like the background, I might do it a different time. Sorry guys. Okay, the rest of the dress that I didn't color is just gonna automatically turn into the pale light pink. And you guess what? I didn't look at the marker. Guys, it's gonna take too long. Time for the big one. Okay, guys, we're so close. And guys, I forgot to show y'all the first half. But it's okay. Now y'all can see. Hold on, guys. We just gotta let it dry out. Quick. Okay. We're gonna let it dry. I want to see the back. The back. This is the back. But time for the front. Is it dry? In 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! How do y'all like it? Rate it on a scale of 1 to 10. And after when you do that, say which one looks better. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos like these. Bye!